Okay guys, oh there we go, look. There's a man, walking. Wow. Seems like there's a lot of order here. Order. Law and order. Maybe not law, but I don't know. Definitely order. And like, this is cool. Look. So yeah, I forgot we, it's like 3D as well. This is like 3D. I forgot we were going to come to the waterfall. So before we go up our place, which is over there, we're just going to check out this waterfall. Just here. Pretty cool. And then all this. Pretty cool. Trees. I do eventually want to go on that forest. Probably go for a run one day. That would be nice. But yeah, so far it's a strange sensation I'm having, at least, and I've just kind of agreed that in a mega city like this, I think we include this as a mega city. I mean, it's a big city. In a big city like this, I feel more relaxed than I did in Ubud. And Ubud is supposed to be like the spiritual oasis. I don't get it. I don't get it. Maybe it's because there's just less like Westerners here. Yeah, maybe it's the Western energy, or like the tourism energy, you know. Like this just feels like a place where people are just living their lives. Interesting, very interesting. As opposed to Ubud, where it's just full of tourists either trying to buy stuff or find themselves or something, you know, in a search for something. Whereas here, yeah, I don't know, people are just more at peace with themselves. Maybe. What do you think? Let me know down below. I mean, Ubud's cool. I like Ubud. I do like Ubud. Whoa, what is that? It moved. Okay. Maybe it didn't move. But yeah, for such a big city, I think there's 8.4 million people here. Either we're in like a really quiet part, or it's just really peaceful. I was just gonna hug the wall. Yeah. But yeah, really nice. Cool. Not 100% sure what we're doing. We might be going back up. We could walk up there, but that's a bit too strenuous, I think. We could just sit there. We can sit there for a little bit. I don't know. I don't know why it gives me the sensation of calm in comparison to like any of Bali, a lot of Bali. I mean, it's just the order of things. Very interesting. Something to think about? Yes. Okay guys, I actually just wanted to look at the Petronas towers? Petronas. I thought it was Petronas. I wasn't sure. I thought that was like a Harry Potter spell or something. Petronas. Yes. So yeah, we just looked at it. Looked at them behind us over there. So they used to be the tallest buildings in the world between, I think, 1998 and 2004. Now, you know, there's 2004 was quite a long time ago. Yeah. And now there's a lot more buildings that are a lot more bigger. Okay, now we are definitely heading back to the place. Yes. Before we head too far away from it.
We have to tame ourselves because usually on the first day of new place we don't have energy, but our minds are kind of curious and we end up somewhere really far, really tired. So today we said no, we're gonna go home and rest.
Yeah, so resting, and I'll be editing. Yeah. I actually wondered, because I forgot that it was actually Saturday. So what I assume maybe is this is the more financial district, or more like city finance type situation, and why that's maybe why it's quieter, because everybody's not at work today. I don't know.
Everybody is at the fun places with swimming pools, forests and family time.
Yes. You want to go up and over? Gosh, we're going up and over. Okay, no escalator. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. I can't do it slow, otherwise. Bye. Go, go, go. Oh, look, little sleep. Also, it's something I've noticed, and something I know why I've noticed and why it is, as you can see, those are the flags everywhere. But yeah, we're heading down, down, down. Okay guys, it looks like we're not going home just yet. Check out this, pretty cool mural. Got some really nice murals like around. But yeah, then we're kind of around the back or the front of our place here. This is more the front, I think. There's a lady with little things, pickles. Yeah, they're different though, I don't know. Hey guys, just bought these. Oh, they're very nice. Chinese lady just there. It's really interesting, like to see the mix between, I think like maybe where we ate lunch was maybe more Indian. These guys are obviously Chinese, and then there's the Malaysians. Anyway, yeah, and then trying to navigate the language of like, which one do we say? And thank you, xie or terima kasih, or what are we saying? Yeah, I don't know. How do you guys get around it or do it? How do you do it? How do you know? How do you know? I think we've been looking at people on these around. We're going to try and maybe, it's hot. Going to try and maybe get on them at some point. Save our legs, get a bit lazy, no, and get on some of these. That'll be fun. But anyway, these mochis, 5 ringgit. So like £1, less than £1. Pretty good for 3, and they're big. That's gonna be my like, sweet end of lunch thing. Cool guys, it's really hot. Usher's disappeared. Okay guys, while I wait for Usher to reappear from wherever she is, I'm gonna have one of these mochis. I actually thought it was gonna be icing sugar on the outside. Hello. You okay? Yeah, I actually thought it was gonna be icing sugar on the outside, but I think it's just flour, just to kind of keep it from like sticking to each other, I guess. Wow. It's just exploded. Wow. So yeah, it's kind of like peanutty sugariness inside, and inside kind of like glutinous like rice, green rice ball. A bit dry, but really good. Okay guys, and we are back to our view. There's a few more cars now. I guess because it is Saturday. Yeah, everybody was sleeping in. I mean, it's still, not very busy at all. So we were, where we ate was actually behind there. And then, what? I don't know. So we came down there, we went around there, looked at this place, then went that way, into there. And then we went across over to there, so where we bought food, up to there, where the waterfall is, and then just around there, and then looked at the towers, which you can see over there. So from there, saw the towers. There's this tower as well. It's really nice as well. See over in the distance, maybe you can see, yeah, I think you can see. Over here, you can see like mountains. Really nice to kind of blend it all together. That, like with the mountains behind the buildings like that kind of reminds me a bit of Hong Kong. So yeah, this city, like little aspects of it are reminding me of different parts of different cities, which is really interesting. I find it really interesting. Cool. Okay, that's it guys. That's just, it was just a basic like us orientating ourselves, feeding ourselves, and kind of stocking up on a few little necessities. Now it's kind of relax slash edit. Okay, edit time. Yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. You know, come back again, or you know, keep watching, subscribe and comment and like and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.